Welcome to our channel. Today I hope to show you how to clean the speaker on a Samsung Galaxy S22 phone. To clean the speaker we need to turn off the phone. Never clean it while it's on, so hold down the volume down and power buttons together until the menu appears, then select power off. If there is a code you need to enter it so the phone can fully power off. Wait until it is completely turned off. For cleaning, we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol so that it first softens the dirt, helps remove it from the speaker opening, and then evaporates without leaving any trace. You can buy both of these items as a set on Allegro or Amazon, and if you don't have them, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or medium hard, because if the bristles are too hard, they might scratch your phone. Since we've already turned off the phone, we move it to the side. It will be more convenient for us to clean it this way. First, carefully hold the device with 2 fingers. You will notice the speaker is located right here, nestled between the glass panel and the outer frame, and this is the specific part we need to clean thoroughly. To begin, take your toothbrush and moisten it very well with plenty of rubbing alcohol until it is completely wet. Then proceed to clean the area using a very steady, consistent motion in just one single direction. Make sure to clean this small opening effectively. You should perform about 15 deliberate strokes in one direction, exactly like I am demonstrating for you right now. After 15 strokes, do the same in the other direction. If it's very dirty, you can repeat the process 2 or 3 times, so about 20 or 30 strokes in one direction. That way it will be thoroughly cleaned. And if it's not too dirty, just 10 or 15 strokes in each direction will be enough, and it will be perfectly clean. It all depends on how dirty it is. After the procedure, place the phone on the table for about 10 or 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and after that time you can turn the phone on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.